Welcome to the Mining Newsflash at Commodity TV with OceanaGold, Canada Nickel, Caledonia Mining, Hannan Metals and Trillium Gold. OceanaGold announced preliminary full year and fourth quarter 2020 operating results. Consolidated gold production for the full year 2020 was 301,675 ounces, including 99,155 ounces produced in the fourth quarter, which is a great increase. Unaudited consolidated all-in sustaining costs were $1,276 per ounce sold in 2020. The Hale mine produced almost 49,000 ounces of gold in the fourth quarter and over 137,413 ounces in 2020. OceanaGold plans to continue to increase production in 2021 and plans to bring the Martha underground mine online in the second quarter of 2021. Financially, the company is in very good shape. They were able to secure a new 4-year $250 million revolving credit facility that matures on 31st December 2024. Cash is at $179 million and there is an additional $50 million that has not yet been drawn from the credit facility. Very importantly, and a giant step in the right direction, the Philippine Office of the President instructed government agencies to finalize the terms of DDPO's FTAA extension. If the DDPO mine goes back into production, OceanaGold would face a massive revaluation. In New Zealand, the Macraes and Waihi operations met full-year production guidance, producing almost 144,500 ounces and 19,775 ounces of gold sold respectively. The Golden Point underground development is progressing well and first production is planned for the fourth quarter this year. Over 30,000 meters have been drilled in the Waihi district through 2020, with fourth quarter activity focused on resource conversion drilling at Martha Underground and Wharekirauponga. OceanaGold is fully committed to organic growth and we look forward to the company's multi-year plan to be released on February 18th. Canada Nickel announced an extension of higher-grade core at the Crawford nickel-cobalt-sulfide project. Follow-up drilling of the hole CR2074 in the west zone extended the higher-grade mineralization by 45% or 850 meters to the northwest. The higher-grade mineralization at 0.3% nickel over a core length of 308 meters, including 153 meters at 0.32% nickel, and terminated in mineralization at an additional 36 meters at 0.32% nickel. Two holes define broad, low-grade mineralization over a width of 1 kilometer within a multi-kilometer anomaly that is open in several directions. A regional drilling program is expected to commence this winter. The company is also filing an amended technical report now that the OSC review has been completed. The amended technical report includes a conceptual pit outline to show reasonable prospects for eventual economic extraction and updated mineral resource tables. Previous mineral resource estimates published on 4th December 2020, the technical report was not constrained by conceptual pit enclosures. The addition of a pit constraint resulted in no change to the measured and indicated resource in the higher grade core of the main zone, a reduction in contained nickel in the total measured and indicated resource of 1,500 tons to 1.69 million tons, and a reduction in contained nickel in the original inferred resource of 335,000 tons to 1.183 million tons. 90% of the total reduction in inferred resource occurred at depths below 300 meters. Canada Nickel is well on its way to becoming the next nickel producer in Canada, and we look forward to further discussions with Glencore for collaboration. Caledonia Mining reported record 2020 total gold production of almost 58,000 ounces at the high end of the company's revised increased guidance. They produced over 15,000 ounces of gold during the quarter, and gold production for 2021 is expected to be between 61,000 and 67,000 ounces. No wonder the dividend was raised again and now stands at 11 US cents for the quarter. Hannan Metals increased their land holdings in Peru by 100% to a total of 1,864 square kilometers of granted mineral concessions. The additional 932 square kilometers of applications will be explored by Hannan on their own and will be outside of the joint venture. Hannan Metals already had 660 square kilometers that will be worked with their new joint venture partner JOGMEC from Japan. On their expanded tenor, Hannan becomes one of the top 10 concession holders in Peru, taking into account all concessions and applications granted. The top 10 is dominated by some of the largest exploration and mining companies in the world, and Hannan stands out as one of the few junior companies to have acquired such a significant land position. Trillium Gold continues to consolidate the Confederation Lake Greenstone Belt and increase land holdings at Larder Lake. This is in addition to new deposits in Quebec. The consolidation includes an additional 7,939 hectares in the Confederation Lake and Birch Uchi Greenstone Belts of the Red Lake District. One acquires the highly prospective Larder Lake property, including the Kirkland Lake Fault extension amidst their neighbors Agnico Eagle Mines and New Found Gold. In Quebec, they add 3 properties in very active exploration camps. Trillium has grown great in a short time and will now drill 35,000 meters. This is fantastic, and we expect steady news flow from the company. My team and or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.